Today, we're diving deep into a lesser-known but fascinating psychic sense, clairgustance. Have you ever experienced a taste in your mouth without actually eating anything? If so, you may have tapped into clairgustance. Clairgustance, or clear tasting, is one of the most intriguing forms of extrasensory perception. It refers to the ability to taste something that isn't physically present. Psychics and mediums often report experiencing this during their readings or spirit communication. For example, a medium might taste specific flavors that relate to a spirit or a past experience. But how does it actually work? When a psychic or medium uses clairgustance, they are receiving energetic impressions through their taste buds. This sensation is believed to come from spiritual vibrations that manifest in the form of familiar or symbolic tastes. These tastes can provide information about a person, place, or event that the psychic is tuning into. It may seem subtle, but it can be a powerful tool for understanding spiritual messages. Some examples include suddenly tasting your grandmother's famous apple pie when she is being referenced, or tasting tobacco when communicating with a spirit who was a smoker in their life. These experiences are often fleeting but deeply meaningful. If you want to enhance your clairgustance, start by paying close attention to your taste sensations, especially when meditating or tuning into a reading. The key is to be open to the subtle impressions and trust your intuition. You can also work with food or taste-based exercises to develop a sensitivity to different flavors and energies. Over time, you'll become more adept at interpreting these spiritual tastes. So have you ever experienced clairgustance? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to enhance your psychic senses, don't stop here. Subscribe to the Ethereal Psychic Development Academy and take your first steps toward unlocking all your spiritual gifts. Like, comment, and share to spread the knowledge of clairgustance with others seeking their psychic path.